Okay, cute, fun. Wow, I just want to like drip paint on everything now, kind of. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to episode 3 of Extreme Makeover of the DIY room. So, last week we painted the wall. I now have shelves put up and I dragged in this credenza back here so I could see where the placement of the shelves should be. Girl, we are making moves on this room. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for next week, the final reveal. I've been doing a bunch of like decor shopping and I think that we should just go like shopping together next week for the reveal. And we'll put it all together. I'm so excited. I've got like a cute statement chair for that corner. The rug already got here. Actually, the rug is right there. Hey, rug. So today is actually gonna be really similar to like an old school LAUR decor video. I spent the morning at the thrift store and found some really good stuff because this video is decorating on a budget. So everything is pretty much under $7 to make all of these pieces, which I'm so about. Hopefully they turn out well, because we only got one of these flying saucer vintage clocks. So there is no room to spare for mess ups. Anyways, super stoked. Again, get excited for episode 4, I guess the series finale next week. It's still a finale if it's only been 4 episodes. I feel like, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So anyway, the DIY room has come a long way. I think our piece of bacon has also come a long way. I totally agree with you guys in the comments. Halfway through the video, before I changed the second paint color, it did look like a big strip of bacon and broke my heart a little bit. I'm not gonna lie. I was reading all the comments and I was like, babe, it looks like a bacon, it looks like a bacon, doesn't it? And anyway, so then I decided to repaint that one strip and I think it's less bacony now. I think it's more just like very like Aspen Ovardy colors and less like bacon. Aspen, thanks to the inspo. Your Instagram, I feel like, is a walking ad for this color scheme. Anyways, let's hop into the DIYs and let's save some money and make some cute. Okay, so one of like the processes that I have is that like I think of the DIYs while I'm thrift shopping. So I saw this clock and I was like, okay, this is like way too like rustic farmhouse vibe for me. But what if we like try and make it a little more modern and do like a gold drip down it? Because like, she old. I don't know if this thing still actually functions, and also I don't really use regular clocks to begin with to tell time. Is that weird? I know how to tell time. Like I can read a clock for sure, but like I can't even remember the last time I used a clock to be like, it's 12:05 today. Anyways, I'm gonna try and just like, squirt this gold metallic paint. I feel like squirt's a gross word. Probably could use something better than that. I'm gonna apply the metallic gold paint at the top here and just let it do its thing and drip down. I feel like I need to give this thing a little dust. Just a little dusty, like literally. In the channel motto of laurDIY branding, let us YOLO. I kind of want it to be like covered, like drips from here all the way down to like here area. So let's just see how this goes. I'm a little nervy, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like you're nervous too, are you nervous?
Yeah, I'm nervous. I don't know what to do.
Okay, here we go. We gonna YOLO it. We gonna YOLO it. Ooh, this paint is nice though. Oh yeah, she doing it. She doing it. Wow, this is gonna take ages to dry. Okay, let's see what happens.
That's cool.
Yeah, I'm into it. Wow, easiest DIY ever. This clock was $5.99 and that bottle of paint was $1.99. So what does that bring us to? $8. Okay, cute, fun. Wow, I just want to like drip paint on everything now, kind of. This is gonna take 9 years to dry. That's okay though. Okay, I'm gonna set you aside. Okay, so my next thrift find was this, I wanna say, God, I'm so uncultured and unworldly, but it's like a vintage photo of Rome? I think it looks like some kind of Colosseum.
I literally was
like it's definitely something in Europe. God, I'm so uncultured. I'm so ashamed of myself. So for $5.99, I really just wanted the photo on the inside. So I really like the vintage wash it has on it. And then the frame, I feel like we could definitely reuse for something else. But $5.99, not bad. So I'm gonna steal the art out of this and we're gonna do a little quick DIY. I also want to make it a little less dark and swap it out for this white frame here. Yeah. Okay, maybe it tells me where it's from. Nope, I don't know. It looks like there's French on here though. Oh, door of the Temple of Jupiter, but in French. That I'm not gonna read because I haven't spoke French since grade 11. Port the temple to Jupiter. Okay, so here is the move. Wow, this looks like it has been in someone's home for a very long, oh, wait a second, what? There's 2 of them. 2 pieces of art for $5.99, heck yeah. Oh crap, which one do we like better? The door of the Temple of Jupiter, or, this is all in French, details of colonies of temple. Ooh, I can't decide. I kind of like the sideways situation. I think that's kind of cool. Matt, what do you think? Do we like side A, the doors of the temple, or side B, the sideways pillars of the temple?
Yeah, I like the sideways one.
The sideways one? Okay, so I'm gonna just use the inner glass of the frame to snip this down to size. Super easy DIY tip to upcycle any piece of art or a newspaper clipping or a magazine scrap or a record cover, literally anything, is to use it as the background and use some letter stickers to put some kind of inspirational phrase or quote or literally whatever you want, a picture of Moose's face, whatever your heart desires. So I'm thinking I want to do hustle and heart. Not entirely sure if it's gonna fit, but we gonna try. Good news is we have a backside photo to use if this doesn't work out. But oh wait, okay. H-U-S-H-U-S-T-L-E. I feel like I should start with the middle letters and work outwards so it's centered. H-U-S-T. Okay, here we go. I'm a big dummy and this ended up being much more right aligned than centered. So we're gonna go with it. This is creative problem solving, y'all. So we're gonna start this way and then go this way so that it's accidentally on purpose right aligned because we're artsy like that. I have an extra E sticker peeled off and I just had like a momentary H-E-A-R-T. Heart. I was like, I definitely, if I have another sticker out here, I was like, where am I missing an E? Hustle-y and he-art. I momentarily was like, do I not know how to spell either of these words? Wait, this is actually really cute. Hustle and heart. This looks like so legit. Like I feel like this would be like $40 at Urban Outfitters. Ooh, vintagey. Cute. I'm into it. Okay, so this is like one of my favorite thrift finds that I found in forever in the decor section. This is by a, oh my God, I'm about to say this and just like, it just set in how old I feel. It's one of my favorite plateware designers. She makes really, really cute bowls and like the designs are just so freaking cute. So when I found this, I was like, yo, this looks like Yokohama Studio, and it is. So anyways, this is a noodle bowl for soup and I really like the pattern, but I think I want to make it a little bit less loud. So what I'm thinking, because there's a little bit of raised design here, I'm thinking of doing just like from here down as gold and then maybe putting a little succulent in here, but I think it'll be really cute. It's definitely cute as is, but it's just a fun way to add a little bit of shine and a little bit of like upcycle for something that was $5.99. Guys, oh my gosh. Okay, so like obviously this series is coming to an end and I'm kind of sad, but the next series that I have planned, oh, we gonna need 2 coats of this for sure, is going to be so fun. I'm so excited. It's like kind of around the theme of thrifting, but like extreme thrifting. I just like miss thrifting. I feel like that's how I started so much and like I spent so much time in high school thrifting and we going back to it. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. So get excited for that. That's gonna be the next series situation that's happening pretty much as soon as we're done this series. Okay, I'm gonna set this aside for a few minutes just to let that first coat dry, and then we'll go in with a second one. Also, typically, if you're painting on glass, I would opt for enamel paint. This is like a multi-surface because it's a metallic, but typically, go for enamel. I sound like such a craft nerd when I say that. I'm like, give me enamel. Ooh. Honestly, you can add gold to anything and it looks like so classy. $3 life hack, add gold to everything. Okay, so I ordered some frames off of Amazon. They were super, super cheap. It was like a combo set, so I think it came down to like $5 per frame each, and I bought 6. I feel like I just like hacked some FBI stuff right now to get this out because it was like, what is this? It was so much work. I had to use my brain a lot and I'm exhausted now. But anyways, I flipped the original photo over so it's like succulents on this side. I'm gonna just use the plain white side to build my design off of. And then this mat is gonna go right on top and it's gonna look so professional. And it's really only gonna cost us like $9, which I love. So I started with a triangle cutout that I made just out of some glittery scrapbook paper. And for 99 cents each, you can usually get a whole bunch of different patterns. So like this is like burlap, some like watercolor, some marble, and you can literally make so many different really like minimalistic fun designs in whatever color scheme you'd like. So I'm gonna just go ahead and trace out this triangle onto all 5 of these patterns. And then on this blank white piece, we're just gonna go like triangle, 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 and it's gonna be cute because I saw a piece of art on an unnamed overpriced website that was $80 for this exact same thing. And we're not trying to do that. Save your coin. Buy merch instead. Just kidding. No, but like actually save your coin. That's ridiculous and overpriced. And we're gonna do it in custom scrapbook paper to make it like perfect for you. Okay, 5 triangles, and also like this is how much of the scrapbook paper I used. Also, me trying to figure out how to make a triangle and failing miserably. But you can literally make so many different designs, whether you want it to be squares or rectangles or circles. Good luck cutting out a perfect circle, but it's a great way to use the same color scheme for a whole bunch of different things. I could literally probably get like 10 triangles out of this whole thing to make multiple copies. So I'm gonna figure out in what order I want this to go in. Oh, wait, maybe I don't even need 5. I feel like they're like kind of crammed. Okay, who's getting cut? I think burlap, you gotta go. No, burlap, I kind of like you. Maybe this one. My brain just like processing this for too long. Anyways, I'm gonna use just like a double-sided sticky tape ball to put all of these down because the glass is gonna go over top of it and keep it in place. You don't have to do anything crazy to make it stay on the little paper mat thingy. Okay, we are aiming for center this time. Okay, here we go. Triangle. Down. Triangle art done, super cute. This was like so easy that I like almost feel bad that it was so cheap when the original one was like $80, but like sucker, yo loss. I feel like if you put this matte border around any piece of art, it makes it look so much more official. Okay, oh my God, let's see if we can get all these stupid pieces back in. What are you? Okay, one in. I feel like putting a photo into a frame should not be this difficult. I'm acting like this is the most aggressive thing I've ever done all day. It's really not that bad. I've just never seen it. You're like, you're fine, you're fine. You're being dramatic. Amazon.
In that wall, like.
And then everyone said it looked like bacon. Oh God. Is she cute? Ooh. She cute. Guys, I'm so excited. Like, you would not believe how big of a box I have that's just like full of decor stuff that I've been collecting over the last week or so to do the final reveal next week. I actually have those paintings up there, like those art pieces to cover up the outlet that's on the wall because she ugly and we're not trying to have that in the background of all the videos for today. Kill! Okay, so this frame was not in our $9 budget, but it was like 15, but it's so cute, it was worth it, and it's still not too bad. So anyways, we're gonna make some DIY art for inside the frame. And again, I almost like feel guilty for how easily recreatable this DIY is. I'm gonna put some inspo photos on screen of all the different brushstroke arts that you can buy online for very expensive. Some are like not too bad. They're like $20 or whatever, but like, it's a brush stroke. Again, I love being able to choose my own colors, so these are like very in tune with my bacon wall. Should we just embrace the fact that it used to look like a bacon? I feel like it's not very bacony anymore, but like, we'll just go with it. Embrace the hate, embrace the haters. Anyways, I've got gold, a coral, like dusty rose, and a khaki color. And I'm literally gonna go boop, boop, and that's it. That's literally all it is. Like, it just blows my mind that people are like, $1,000 please, when this is gonna cost. I mean, if you already have paintbrushes free, you're welcome. Okay, so this is mixed media paper, essentially. You can just use cardstock, just anything that's a little bit less porous than like printer paper so it doesn't seep through. But it's already cut down to the size of the insert. And I'm thinking horizontal stripes probably makes the most sense. I feel like vertical might be a little weird. There's already like a lot going on this frame. So like 1, 2, 3, 4. This is so dumb. Like, this is so dumb, and I cannot believe how popular it is. This is glitter paint by our girl, Martha. Oh, this looks cute. Oh, Martha. Martha! Let's see if it's actually cute. I'm just worried it's gonna be too transparent and it's like a topper. Like, do you put a gold underneath of it and then a glitter on top, or just like go glitter?
Are you asking me?
I don't know, I'm like thinking out loud. Open to all opinions. Moose, what do you think, Bubba? Okay, and contact. Ah, scary. Literally, that's what people are charging hundreds of dollars for. It's wild. Okay, let's do some glitter on top now. Okay, yeah, we made a good call here. We made a good decision here. I think it's gonna like dry really cute, but it's definitely not like a color for just to be on its own. Art. But like low-key looks so cute though. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited for the series finale next week. Guys, Bacon Wall has officially come so far. I'm so excited to officially decorate next week and get it all styled. One more episode. If you haven't seen episode 1 and 2, I'll have those linked in the description box. We destroyed the DIY room. We momentarily had a wall that resembled bacon, but then it had a turn for the better. And now we got some cheap, affordable decor on a budget. And next week, final reveal. Super excited. So that is everything for today's video. If you guys try out any of these DIYs, you can always send me photos on Twitter at laurDIY and on Instagram using the hashtag laurDIY and the hashtag laurdecor. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys on Sunday for another Sunday DIY. Bye guys, love you.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running